Thank you for joining this quick implementation and troubleshooting screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. In this video, we're going to quickly review the difference between queue and skills-based routing. Queues generally are designed to represent a single skill. For example, you might have a Spanish language queue and a Level 3 technical support queue. Queues route work to agents who are members of the queue. Although you can have multiple queues, and agents can be members of multiple queues, a work item can only be assigned to one queue at a time. In contrast, skills-based routing allows work items to be routed using more sophisticated and dynamic criteria. Skills-based routing looks at the skills required to complete the work item, identifies agents who have those skills, and routes the work item to an agent who has all of the requisite skills and who has available capacity to take on the work. If you enable skills-based routing rules on a routing configuration and assign the routing configuration to a queue, the queue's membership no longer applies to routing. Work is routed to available agents with the right skills. If skills mapping criteria aren't met and no skills are assigned to a work item, the work item is routed to any available agent in your org. So those are the differences between skills and queue-based routing. Before we go, let's quickly look at some of the limitations of skills-based routing. Skills-based routing isn't supported for external routing. Skills-based routing for omnichannel can only be used on these objects: cases, chats, messages, leads, orders, and custom objects. You can't route SOS video chats, voice calls, or Salesforce records for other objects using skills-based routing. Transfer from a queue to a skill or from a skill to a queue isn't supported. Transfer from a skill directly to a user or button isn't supported. And if a work item requires certain skills, but no agents have those skills, then the work item isn't routed. This situation is similar to how items in a queue are treated when no agents are online. If your org uses Omnichannel Supervisor, the support manager can look at the skills backlog and see which work items haven't been assigned to an agent. For chat, if no agents have the skills, the request is canceled. For more information, go to help.salesforce.com. or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.